Welcome to Life Guru, your ultimate source for personal growth and well-being. Today, we're diving into a transformative topic: how to start meditation. If you've ever wondered about meditation's power to bring calm and clarity into your life, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this beautiful journey of self-discovery and find your path to inner peace. 1. Understanding meditation. Before we begin, let's demystify meditation. At its core, meditation is a practice that allows us to cultivate mindfulness and awareness. It's about being fully present in the moment and observing our thoughts without judgment. Meditation comes in various forms, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Embrace the process and find what resonates with you. Share your thoughts on meditation in the comments. We're here to support you every step of the way. 2. Create a peaceful space. Find a quiet and comfortable space for your meditation practice. It can be a corner in your home, a serene garden, or even a cozy spot in a park. Eliminate distractions and make this space inviting. You can add candles, cushions, or any elements that bring you a sense of tranquility. Tell us about your ideal meditation space. We'd love to hear your creative ideas. 3. Choose a meditation technique. With so many meditation techniques available, it's essential to explore and find what suits you best. You can start with simple breath awareness, where you focus on your breath. Alternatively, try guided meditations or body scan techniques. Experiment and see which practice resonates with your heart and mind. Let us know which meditation technique you're excited to try first. Your journey is unique, and we're excited to be a part of it. 4. Be consistent and patient. Consistency is key to establishing a meditation practice. Set aside a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, meditation is not about perfection, it's about showing up with kindness and patience for yourself. Share your meditation progress with us. We're here to celebrate your commitment. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward starting a meaningful meditation practice. Embrace this journey with an open heart and an open mind. Meditation has the power to bring peace and clarity into your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Life Guru for more soul-nurturing content. Until next time, take care, be present, and find serenity within.